Hello everyone, this is Dr. J. Anita Hepsiba, Department of Chemistry, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to discuss about some important terminologies related to dyes and the classification of dyes. What do you mean by the word dye? Actually, dye is a colored substance that imparts color when applied to a substrate. Dyes are generally soluble in solvents and they can be natural or synthetic. A very good dye has the following qualities. It should have a suitable color. It should fix itself to the fabric, and it should have good fastness properties such as fastness to light, fastness to washing, and resistance towards diluted acids, alkalis, and other organic solvents which are used for dry cleaning. So when you look into the structure of a dye, it has got two parts, two important components. One is the chromophore and the other one is the oxochrome. Chromophore, chromo means color, phore means to bear. So this chromophore is an unsaturated group that absorbs light and reflects it at specific angle to give the hue, that is the respective color of the particular color. So the color bearing unsaturated group of a dye molecule is called as the chromophore group. For example, in azo group N double bond N, in keto group C double bond O, in nitro N triple bond O, nitroso N double bond O, thio, ethylene, that is CH2 double bond CH2, etc. These are the chromophores which are present in a dye and they are responsible for the dye to bear color. So without a chromophore, there is no more a dye. So the next component of the dye is oxochrome. So here, oxo means to increase, to intensify. Chrome means as usual color. So here, oxochromes intensify the color of the particular dye. For example, chromophore will give color to the particular respective dye. Oxochrome will improve the shade of the color. So substituted acidic or basic groups in dye structure are used to intensify the depth of shade. Oxochrome by itself, it will not produce any color at all, but deepens the color of a chromogen. Example, hydroxyl group, amine group, etc. Here you see some of the dye molecules, naphthol yellow, alizarin, etc. Here you have chromophore. Then naphthol yellow, NO2 is the chromophore which is responsible for the light yellow color. In the presence of hydroxyl group, that is oxochrome, the color of the naphthol yellow becomes more somewhat intensified to get a bright yellow color. In alizarin, the chromophore is the quinone ring as such, but in the presence of this hydroxyl group OH, the color gets intensified. Similarly, here we have chromophore. Nitro group as the chromophore and OH oxochrome, so that the color gets intensified. So the presence of chromophore is very essential. Oxochrome intensifies the color of the particular dye. Next comes the classification of dyes. Dyes are classified under three categories. The first one is according to source, second one is according to application, third one is according to structure. According to source, dyes are classified as natural and synthetic dyes. According to application, dyes are classified into direct dyes, wet dyes, reactive dyes, azoic dyes, etc., modern dyes, etc. Based on structure, they are classified as azo dyes, nitro dyes, nitroso dyes, quinanoid dyes, etc. So here you have the classification of dyes based on natural dyes and synthetic dyes. Natural dyes, as we know, turmeric is a very good natural dye, and then flavonoids, chloroplast, they are all very good natural dyes. They can be part of a plant or an animal. Sometime in the case of plant, it can be a root or a fruit, etc., or is the rind, for in the case of pomegranate, etc. Synthetic dyes, uh, they are sometimes they contain azo group, so sometimes they contain anthraquinone, phenolphthalein, nitrosol. So based on structure, they are classified again based on application, and again based on the presence of charge. Again, they are classified cationic, non-cationic, cationic, ionic, sorry, cationic, anionic, and non-ionic dyes. So these are the three ways synthetic dyes are again classified. That is based on the group, based on the application, and based on the presence of the charge. They are classified. So we have uh, three important things to be noted in this video. One is the chromophore part. Another one is the oxochrome part. Third one is the classification based on source. Thank you.